Úd ar gone home mar a chai thug well an san thug ar Twitter is cínteach an clic sin na gemichin ile ag amar choracin agus ai tá sé sin ma ha Hanna géime seo amach anna dáhíle sa trídí cum is sin agus mar sin chai a chud ganna Xbox a hain agus a PS céheh agus a níist dúir i switche goideach so ha imimeach dá an i ghéime chluich agus ha míad teúirt na chléintin man ghéime chanéile sa chum cúsmi héin réirchalas chanéile rá aita sin chanéile cháta í Jedi orsta crían caú agus mar sin dal háiseach agus hí sin na hachras se sin me cosí easy éclach go ris gan tuh clí agus cead an curs tuh jazz ceast seo einsnach ruúna sinna ar goitegur san stream éile ach se sin well gal ar a hochgad
Hi, Mom. So I got my ticket home from Europe. I get back on June 6th, but it's a really late flight because that was the cheapest, so it gets in at midnight. But don't worry, I'll get a shuttle from the airport, so you don't have to pick me up. Like, really, seriously, you don't have to. Okay, so, love you. See you soon. Bye.
An minute agus na ían athraach gus an déise goid i ggéime chláinte ach sin acad cnach na sceáil a sin tílagechaí mar bhíh dúil van títal agus saon ar an seach go bhláid an áchvíos néicitíag céirhíh coitíag seo sa bhetin agus seo sin duine fuain an chuasa sin na seaargása sa bhíon dáchas go lena searéis sin seo na gaiciine an go bíon bra i gceime seo i dhéanamh aige má féin seo sin ó wow chétí a mi dúigh nach chuidir go bhí ann san teichte ach dó dhéanta chétí ennu set na bhíoch nó larach neamíor san go bhí éiste sa bí sí sin i ríis sí sin i chéile ríis bhuiirce na gatra go dóla flashed Inchinach oh, is een female wel juche er net loose. Well, Gemma, get it. Visam, Virgil Jacomedi, Mark Shana. Fun. Fishing. Look at Hilig, Amsterdam. Michelash. Jack and Tay. Nish Teshin Dolachlich gone home or son. Harnony. Her son Mu Ueda Hicha. Snursion Neshin Dolachlich. Da Gama Ile. Son Shala the Horst Ada. Shaw Gama Iklikishin her son. In a Geresh. Big. Yeah. Female. Oh well. Shin ha mi bearstach an ist. Ah. Yeah, get in here. Masters. Of this. With my son Clanny. Two of you in. Genialis Gersan Heavy is deze van Divek. Nish. Catch a really good thing. Ah, she did a second. Tarnation. Art, that's listen. Let me tell what you can do me. I'm a couple of gas like you. Odd. Sure. Ah, come on. Kind of atmospheric. Okay. Shin. Yeah, gran here. Daniel van Jaun Geiersnach en het touch is aan een tijduurrekening van de rash. Ja, daar heeft je totaal weirdo aan het Daniel. Vooral je echt naar garage les graag Nintendo aka. Nest.
Sam. Sam. Hello. Sam. Sam, where are you? Really? I need to talk to you. Please be there.
Hi, Mom. So I got my ticket home from Europe. I get back on June 6th, but it's a really late flight because that was the cheapest, so it gets in at midnight. But don't worry, I'll get a shuttle from the airport, so you don't have to. Okay, so love you. See you soon. Bye.
Look there. Oh well. Hij varken get daar is ik hem nog heel sien dan het alle haggers ga. Hij varken karam maar kem uit. Spier halm style gaan met dat. Nuair na í ar san tá se go ag Scoil Úr nis bheith sin na smainte gras sam san artscoil na agus sínas.
Oh my god. You are so lucky you finished high school before we moved into this house. So, it's the first day of school, and there I am, introducing myself to the class. And I say that I just moved into the house on Arbor Hill. All of a sudden, every kid in the room turns and just stares like I suddenly transformed into a mutant. I just stood there, wishing pretty hard for a rewind button. Because now maybe nobody knows my name, but they all know who I am. The Psycho House girl. Great.
Insinach. So, has sin na smainte go bhfuil gras sam san artscoil agus sinne becan na sásta. Gus a chu rutcin ag sean tai sa féach cin cholas na rutcin an san catch fad a roisin. Question. That's kind of nice. Terence Greenbrier sin ar náhead mar sin sé Great Uncle an. Ha mí ar an jalab sin éich cinne ar daine bhí clúiche game seo. Cá bhéil sin as sa transa seo. Cá bhéil thuaid daine. Seo. Sean tae hacking. Sin ag gra go bhí na salas atá éad agus dhé agus mar sin bhar go bhá mar ceime ailt té lear se. Tíirí mar a bhar agtí cé. Cyd cyn ysgrifig na dydw lerfus. Cyd cyn ysgrifig sgilach dyna mis medjyn. Niat jen fiach gynnyd yn ga chile ge ddeis yna. Gwnia yma cwbych. I should just study over. Yeah, can I hear? The Ireland. Right. I hate this TV. Yeah, you can. In a sequel cast. Damien. Of. Inchna. Ja, we gaan maar weer curd naar Rash Federat. Liedje voor Home Theater Aficionado magazine. Cast, so ahead on some Sherlock seo scríbigh léire san na saite a bríonad mar a bheith cúisin ar bhain na fáist agus idir ráthalaigh míon sin. Dilek ginkgo sin glas sinnéad. Insinach. Féle thuile duine. Fé feisce a bhain. Oh wow. Sinach there. So hacha rustigen sin gohaicín. Kicsit pizza, so séir is sofa.
Severe weather warning. The Northwest Weather Service reports high winds and torrential rain conditions affecting the following counties: Austin County, Boone County, Dawn County, Tacoma County.
Yeah, there's some
You know that feeling where the first moment you see someone, it's like they have a big gold star around them, and you have to get to know them? Well, there's this girl. I think she's a senior. She's usually dressed kind of punk. But sometimes I see her in this, like, army uniform. She's always drawing in this notebook, looking so intense. I had no idea how I would ever, like, have an excuse to talk to her. Till I noticed she and her friends hang out and play Street Fighter at the 7-Eleven every day after school.
Episode Gen X Files. Tar video in a those clarin. Ja. Make you jig shackets a hawk. Sin mar a háisiche ag déanú léadhasan. Lead is scríbe. So, that was ag ahead on JFK. This time travel. sin. Leer me sila. Great, yeah. Hölgyek számára skill gadja. Hölgyek elnevi cheeky. Show the TV as you need to be in an office. I have this City Ireland. See, that bounce. Chen. Heb ik goed al zien nach game uitgeja. Het krijgt er bij mij kan je steken schaam maar heb ik werken maar die genoeg kritieken. Schaam maar cute. Wel. Denk hoor aan. Venige wie. Dus. Oops. This. Yeah.
Somehow I always let someday we see through. Now that it's happened, I just can't.
Echt vriendelijk.
I've done the best I could to keep from feeling blue. Can't get you off my mind. What am I gonna
Voodoo, mildew, and shandu.
Why, Daddy, I didn't know you were.
Right here looking at you, honey. If it ain't me, it's my shadow.
Do you think I sent you far away
I ain't been nowhere.
from me? I thought you'd stay away from me.
Trying to cut.
But hopelessly you got me now. You left your voodoo all around.
I left my trunk in town.
I got a need for you.
Yeah,
Thought I killed the flame for you.
I hear you.
I dust my heart a grave for you. Your kisses keep on haunting me. Your memory won't let me be.
Yeah.
I got a need for you.
I wish you had a weed for me.
Oh, tell me
Oh,
why must I think about you? Oh, Daddy, tell me why can't I live without you? Da-da-dee, running high. Oh, nothing else will do for me, and nothing else will you for me. You got me craving night and day. Come back and take
oh
me
wow.
too.
I'm gonna take
You're
your
okay.
tail away.
Then play me some
le intinach ana hin í sé gain be gona bhealach mú sam cuide. Ile tar rich go má cos. Yes, so Hannig, Daniel.
When you live in one place your whole life, your next door neighbor is kind of like your default friend. And Daniel only got weirder over the years. So moving away has been a good excuse to, like, not see him anymore. But he did always have the good Nintendo games. Maybe I'll give him a call.
Cat. Oh, thanks. Fishman. Each picture gas, eh? Can't go to the written. Oh. Yes, someone like it's Lonnie.
So you know what they say about the best laid plans of mice and men? Yeah, turns out it applies to Street Fighter too. At least I worked up the courage to walk into the 7-Eleven and ask for a turn, but all that practice at home did not exactly translate in the wild. So after I was finished getting my butt kicked, I followed them outside while they smoked. And that was when she asked me if I was that psycho house girl. But then she said she's always really wanted to see the psycho house. Her name is Lonnie. She's coming over tomorrow.
Each. Oh, sin galach. Blaster. You could a ye. Sneer tip sha. Scootig. Exation here. Clue ein gwell. Karaki. Can you epic. Two of us. Roxican or some Neplican. Cast. So ha my head it's surely go fish na conservationist. So Misha is the version of one of it. Son Lame of the three. Ega sin asclaí go bhera. Ceist. Suas a staire am ha. Sé design inch nach an. But I fanach in mad gyrru gyda dal y gatis y bi ac yn nyrsiwn haid hors gyda bican henkel fi. O jalaf yn chill listen ach mas e conservationist a hans a hef stuff yn yw nhw hysyn. Seo leor lá bhaithid maithid. Cynniha seo le camping sin. Sin na camping hawi smaid sin. I get some kid, so ready? There she goes. Als je een uur op het het gullige weer staan. Ik denk ja, het is with Losk.
It's weird hanging out with girls. Daniel was around ever since I was little, and other girls? I don't know. But being around Lonnie is like instantly just right. I gave her the grand Psycho House tour and took my revenge on Super Nintendo. And it was like, I don't know, I finally found someone I feel normal around. I drove her home and she gave me this tape and said, "You have got to listen to this." I haven't stopped playing it since.
Is it in feed? How many vac gach? Daniel Giddy. Super Nintendo. Ooh. Holy shirt again. Shower Sam. And a die, I've had a Kimbekan mad Bioshock. I've had a very casual and cursed so fine. We could yell at a scale lock and for the took out it's good clad and Dalka polished your son. English creative writing. Well, I grew up in Chin. Frankenstein, Metamorphosis, all the worlds. Beacon, Robert Louis Stevenson on a hen, Master of Ballantrae, Call of the Wild, Barach, Robert Louis Stevenson. Poe, Inchach. I find a curious second again. bhí na leálacha na hacha ar a scalpach go. Bhíonn sé go sa bhí. Clog him. Sean hat nerd again. Oh, hij haast de kiesje skillach spinneter. Spinneter, I guess the first mate. Oh, whoa. So we have Henry and first mate. Sin is mention gin de hachar gin mar sin de dhéananig is bhá combination riladach. Yeah. Sin ar an tealamh síos a staire. Bhí ana motorbike. Gohairide is éige le Sam agus cairide éiche agus is go suúichantas na spionatar. Tá thuirt am chaine na gceimicin Life is Strange. Gohairide. Gan bhfuil is ga. So chaiad ag éicin film ar an éiche a bheithead ag ana Jean ar chunig si ar mór na Lonnie Griff. Sure,
Lonnie brought her hair dye over today. She said, I need to fix these roots. Think you could help? Dyeing hair is weirdly intimate. I don't know if I've touched someone else's scalp before. It's pretty intimate, right? It felt intimate. We looked in the mirror together after, and I expected her to say something about how it looked crappy, or good, or whatever. But that's when she said, "You're so beautiful." And she was looking at me. Right in that moment, I wanted to say something, but I waited. And the moment was gone.
Okay. Try to get yes more. Heis nach mar a had tarst character good kitchen levy mar ana hin son character that can like anything like all part you should either for item description you can get like you see para mun character like really nice opening kitchen. Let's get nice couple there. Yeah, just that. Today, all the places to this bit of detail if I stay on the measure. I guess fluid I'll be at the next start of narcoticum Shakima. Two of us yelling, of course. Feeling we have. idiots. What's those now? Sherlock, Yarstach, Le. Play. Yeah, still I'm saying to you, at the finish in the fine, I can reassure the hook hours and I'll leave it, because in the fine, it's going to comment. Hold on. Got it. Alan. Do we have his papers in the tape, Becca? Finishing now. Machine. Yes. Okay, well, maybe some shoe from the shower control that expression agencies. Okay. It's gonna push we did. Okay. I get it, the which for the foot off hand.
Sometimes you just have to lie to Mom and Dad. Like when Lonnie asked me to see a band with her and stay over at her friend's place in the city after. That's a lie to Mom and Dad's situation. But it was so worth it. The girls on stage were just so loud and real and awesome. And everybody was moving together like one huge tide of sound. Between two songs, Lonnie leaned over and said, "How do you like your first show?" I was so happy. I felt tears starting in my eyes. And then she up and hugged me. I think she could tell.
Each. Yeah, look, yeah, I should have walked in the camera hurricane. This measure. Where's the kind of Ocean Yarla? Inch. Okay. Oh. Each. Shouldn't say this, but so much. That's on kill. Russian Santal, Swiss Granat. Yeah. Swiss Classic. Sure. I will not be honest. Oh, in Russia. So how long this lasts, so that stuff I could share once a challenge this later. Shitty. Nice. isn't that thing? Yes, actually. Digits. And really. There we go. Yes, back again. Kırık mission of the high didn't go off. Sure. Get off. olarak. Listen to the God horse that I was. All of them. A lot of compartments over there.
At Todd's brother's place after the show, there was a bomb, so Lonnie and I shared it. The lights went out. I was turned toward her. My eyes started to adjust, and then I could see she was looking at me, too. In the dark, she smiled. My heart was beating so fast. I rolled over. I felt so, I don't know, nervous? After a minute, she put her arm around me and was so close and whispered in my ear, "I really like you." I just nodded my head, and I really hope she could tell. I really hope that she meant what I think she did. I felt like a shook-up can of soda ever since. I hope we have the chance to talk before I explode.
Wait, I better stuff now. Go. Hey, right 3 times. Stuff up. 3 times. 1 second number stuff up there. Yeah, okay. Skill up 11 Allegra. Inchna. Sa na scéalach gan go tar sé an seala éh jíist agus skipper Richard Sam an engine scéalach gan haid dáin é fed agus an scéalach géile dáin é badí dá ra bhí is an é badí agus Richard parent an éisce Yes, sin na chula iad na fachcha iad well an éach in na oscail sin na larcha sin ach sin dálas leat an na héanamh ráasta sta le buiche ceamichin ile na tíochna sin na mar sin híimíon ar sin sibh time san bhí an ar san